What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be playing Castleminer Part 2. Let's go right into the video. So, you can go to, you guys should go check it out. Part 1 of, you guys should go check it out. Part 1 for this. This one's fun. This one's very fun. And by the end of the video, I'm going to show you guys a video that can help you make squid games. So now, without further ado, let's get right into Castle Marzi. And this is my second time recording this with my laptop, with my mom's laptop. So, last episode we almost finished building the house, and we're gonna have to get some wood for a bit, and yeah, we're gonna have to get some wood a bit, and alright. So I'm just gonna have to wear headphones, cause I'm due for a lot of gaming videos, and yeah. Alright. Let's go get some wood first. Now let's go get some wood. Give me that wood. And I'm gonna take off my headphones because it's been annoying since I upload a video with headphones, but we don't need that right now. And let's go make some wood. Go right over there and build a house. Okay. Alright, we're almost making this house down. I'm gonna try to mine this tree over there. Wait, oh! Darn it, I should make an axe. I'm gonna mine with my fists. You know what I mean? And I'm gonna change the screen to like more a bit. Maybe tomorrow something. And I'll make the 4th episode of the Castle Marzi videos. And that's it. That's the end. And it's gonna be season 6. We did 1, we did 2, we did 3, we did 4, and we almost did 5, and now it's gonna be 6, which is good. Almost making this house down over. Now we need a respawn beacon, and we need a respawn beacon. We need 2 sand, and we need iron, and we need some wood. So we need 2 sand. Now all I did was we need 2 sand, and boom. Now we can make a respawn beacon. Let's go. Boom. A respawn beacon. Now I'm gonna have to make a bed. I'm gonna make a bed right now. Need wood. Need wood bit. I'm gonna get 2 wood. Need a. There we go. There we go. Our bed, and now we can use our respawn point. Boom. Now we got a respawn point, and now let's just try to. Okay. So we're gonna have to kill zombies. We're gonna have to kill some monsters and end off this video, because there's a skeleton around there. I got a respawn beacon. I'm not afraid to use it. Wait, is it spawning my house? Ow! What the heck? Stop it! You're making me die. And oh wait, is that copper? Yes. Come on, give me copper. Give me copper quick. Is that copper? Yes. Oh bollocks! Oh my god! Oh my god! Hey, hold up. Is that wood? Yes. Oh bollocks! No, why? Boom. Now we're gonna have to kill some zombies. Who shot me? Is there a skeleton over there? There it is. I'm not afraid to use it. Ow, ow, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead. I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead. No. No. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. I'm dead. There's so many zombies everywhere. Ah! 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 Skeletons right there. I'm gonna have to defeat some zombies. And it's about to be part 3 tomorrow. Don't destroy my house. Let's go over mining and hold up. Let me change. Okay. Now let's go mining a bit. Let's go back to this cave system over here. This one here to collect some iron, and so we can make 2 pickaxes. Alright, where's what's that? What's that? There it is. Now, iron. So we need to make bulletproof glass. Alright, we're gonna have to go back up and end the video right here. Okay. Alright, we're gonna go back to the house and end the video right here. I'm gonna have to place these. Alright, here we go. Okay, you saw it there. That's my second episode of Castleminer Z, and it's gonna be part 3 tomorrow. So now I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll see you guys in the next